Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And in case you don't know me, my name is Akintomide Olale, and I'm a graphic designer. And my brand name goes by Greater Beyond. All right, so here is the flyer. Here is the tutorial for the flyer that you're looking right now on the screen, and I'll be showing you guys how you can design this SpongeBob design. Actually, the inspiration behind this SpongeBob is because back to our childhood, how we so much like SpongeBob, and even with the trending of SpongeBob happening on TikTok now, it really gives me the inspiration to just look back into childhood and just to design something. So sit back and enjoy. All right, so yeah, this is the design, and the code is the color code FDDCO1 for the yellow background. All right, so we're going to put in the SpongeBob character. All right, we are going to size it, make it to be fitted wherever that it is, and we're going to include the other SpongeBob character. So it's going to be behind the first SpongeBob, just to make it to be fitted in the design. And one of the inspiration behind the yellow design is because the yellow actually speaks more on childhood. The yellow color actually, depicts children. All right, because the purpose of this design is for children. How they can, reflect back to their childhood needs, and how you yourself can reflect back to your childhood days. That's the concept for the whole yellow background. All right. All right. So yeah, in being a graphic designer, one of the things that you need to understand is that you need to look at what you need to know your target audience. One of the things that you need to do as a graphic designer is before you design, make sure you know your target audience. And my greatest target audience in this design is for children. It's mainly for children, just to be attractive, and man, the yellow color is really really attractive to people. And yeah, that's the background. That's the yellow background, and this is a shadow. This is it's an eclipse shape, and I apply the motion blur to make it to make the character look as if he's standing. And this is a a race stripe pattern. It's a race stripe pattern background. You can actually get it on Google, but I've posted all the files I've is on the description background, so you could actually take all of these resources from the file that I've uploaded. All right. Yeah, this is a SpongeBob. This is SpongeBob set. A text. This is SpongeBob text. You can actually find that too in the resources. So you should know that all the resources that I used uh in this design it's actually inside the resources that are provided at the description. So you can actually get all of these resources in the description. So that's the name of the font, Krabby Patty. Yes, I applied the drop shadow. Yes, I downloaded these resources. I downloaded this a cheese ball, actually a cheese, the one that rats eats. Yes, you can apply it also. Yeah, I'm going to duplicate it, and I added the Gaussian blur to make it to be blurry. I mean the cheese to be blurry, so as to give it more effects, more realistic effect, because that's one of the things that blurring does on a design.